Hi, I'm Emily with another brief grief activity from the team. This week is all about self-care. Taking care of ourselves is so important, especially when we're grieving. Self-care is the actions we take to take care of all parts of us, to reduce stress, give us energy, lift our moods, and quiet our worries. Does this sound like a new idea? It's actually pretty simple. Human beings are pretty amazing, and we have all these different parts that work together to make us the unique people we are. We have bodies, minds, emotions, and connections to others and the world around us. To focus our time and energy on taking care of our whole selves, it can be helpful to think of things that help the different parts of us. For our minds, that can be reading a new book, or trying something new or doing something creative. For our emotions, it could be meditating or journaling. To care for our bodies, we can make sure we get enough sleep, get active, and have nourishing food. And for connections, we can talk to someone supportive or spend time outside. Today, we'll be doing one self-care activity. It's good to try a lot of different ones though, to figure out what your whole self likes. Today, I'll show you how to make your own natural face mask. It can help you de-stress, relax, and maybe have your own mini spa session at home. Self-care activities often take care of lots of parts of us though. Our face mask today will nourish our skin, introduce us to a new activity, new smells and textures, and is an activity you can do with others. Here's what you'll need. To do this activity, you'll need 1 cup of prepared oatmeal, 6 tablespoons of honey, 6 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and face towels. Combine your oatmeal, honey, and yogurt in a bowl. Once fully combined, set aside to cool to room temperature. All of your ingredients on this face mask do special things to help your body. The oatmeal cleans your skin, honey helps to get rid of bacteria and repairs your skin, and yogurt helps to heal dry skin. Once your face mask comes to room temperature, you can apply the mask to your face, avoiding your eye area. Relax and let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water and drying with a towel. Self-care is so important because it helps us reduce stress. When we feel stressed, it can affect so much of our body. Stress can make us have a hard time remembering things or getting enough sleep, can make us have aches and pains, change how we eat, and our overall mood. When we experience the death of someone, the feelings of grief can be overwhelming. Grief is not only about the death of a person though. It can come with the death of an animal, the end or change in a relationship, or when you lose something really important to you. Grief can make us feel like things are happening out of our control, which feels really hard. But one thing we have control in is recognizing our feelings and responding to them with compassion, love, support, and understanding that everything you feel is okay. This spa activity today was a chance to take a moment, take care of ourselves, and brainstorm other ways that we can take care of our whole selves when we feel like we have little control. We would love to see the face mask you created or any of the other activities. You can email us at art@griefcenter.org with a picture. Thanks for being with us today. We know that being with grief feelings can be hard, especially if you're feeling alone. So remember to reach out to a caring adult or Kids Help phone at any time. Join us next week for another brief grief activity. Thanks for watching.